We provide security in motion and combine unique design with state-of-the-art drive and control technology. We are magnetic. Access to progress. We stand for pioneering vehicle and pedestrian barriers worldwide. Access control is now more important than ever. Our tradition obliges us to create innovative products and offer better quality than our competitors. Our barriers, boarding and immigration gates have become indispensable, particularly at the hubs of global movement. We clear the way for millions of people every day, and will continue to meet this need for the foreseeable future. We keep the barriers open visibly and reliably when security and protection have been ensured. We are at home wherever many people gather and want to experience unique controlled security. We have more than 330 employees worldwide, and our headquarters are in the Black Forest. Our roots lie in drive and control technology, an experience-based advantage with which we still create innovations. Everything starts with the first idea, with well-thought-out functions and pioneering design. Our experts develop bespoke customer-specific solutions, guarantee maximum product quality and durability, and go to the limit of what is possible. We can only achieve the maximum when our heads are free of blocks and barriers. The right dimensions for each customer. We handle the technical and legal requirements.
Det är lätt att vara en duktig tekniker på magnetiska produkter.
Without compromising quality and global standards.
We never stop working towards something new. We have your security in sight at all times. We are team players, and we are always there for you. We are magnetic. Access to progress.